Experts in various countries have spoken positively about China's efforts in promoting human rights at home and its contributions to advancing global human rights.
I think China's success in eradicating extreme poverty is a great achievement from the point of view of realization of human rights, but also in terms of as an example of a country that has been able, through its own policies, from their own historical and cultural perspective, that it has been able to achieve eradication of poverty when the rest of the world hasn't.
Chinese approach on global governance on human rights more important economic, social and cultural, including the elimination of poverty, health, education, also fighting against corruption. It's a big example of Chinese in this field, and achievements of Chinese in this field are great. And I think we must today indicate the achievements of the Chinese, and it's a good examples or best practice of China in the field of human rights.
So I think China is focusing more on the positive components of human rights, which then makes it possible to even collaborate with the rest of the world in terms of collaboration. We have seen China setting up very active poverty alleviation centers in places like Africa. Technology transfer, we've seen that is happening in terms of what China is doing. There isn't, I think, important pronouncement by China is this thing called Global Development Initiative. So you can see China is not just doing things at home, but is also working multilaterally and bilaterally to ensure that even people outside China benefit from the Chinese proceeds of development.